In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an n8n template in Localhost. If you're setting up automations on your own machine and want a quick start, importing a ready-made template is the easiest path. I'll walk you through the process clearly, add helpful context, and keep everything simple. First, make sure you have your json file ready. This is the template file that n8n understands. It might be something you downloaded from a trusted source, or a file you exported from one of your existing workflows. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder. A quick tip here: confirm the file ends in .json and hasn't been accidentally changed to another extension. Also, remember that templates usually contain the workflow structure and nodes. Any sensitive credentials typically aren't included, which helps keep your environment safe. Now, head to your Localhost n8n dashboard. On the left side, look for the plus icon. This plus icon opens up creation options inside n8n. Click it, and then select Workflow. That choice spins up a fresh, empty workflow canvas to receive your template. Starting from a new workflow helps keep things clean and avoids mixing a template with anything else you might already have on screen. With the new workflow open, move to the top right corner of the editor and click the three dots icon. From that menu, choose Import from File. This tells n8n you want to bring in an existing workflow configuration rather than building it from scratch. It's a direct, reliable way to load all the nodes, connections, and basic settings that the template defines. Next, select the json file you prepared earlier. Once you confirm the file, n8n will import it and place the full workflow onto your canvas. You should see the nodes appear, connected exactly as the template specifies. That's it. The template is in. If the file is valid, the import happens almost instantly. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't immediately see the imported nodes, double-check that you selected the correct file and that it's a proper JSON template. If the menu labels look slightly different, it may be due to your n8n version, but the import option will still be in that top right menu. And if you work with multiple templates, it helps to keep them named clearly so you can recognize what you're importing at a glance. And that's all you need to import an n8n template in Localhost. Simple, fast, and ready to go.